Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. I want to talk about something that has become a big topic in Ghana and around the world: making money online. With the rise of technology, there are now so many opportunities to earn a living without leaving the comfort of your own home. So, let's dive into the 5 ways you can make money online in Ghana. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through freelancing. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to offer your services, such as writing, graphic design, or web development, to clients all over the world. All you need is a laptop and a good internet connection to start making money. Affiliate marketing. Another way to earn money online is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Platforms like Amazon, Jumia, and Konga offer affiliate programs that you can join and start earning money from. Online trading. Online trading has become a popular way for people to invest their money and make a profit. Platforms like Forex, cryptocurrency exchanges, and stock trading apps allow you to trade with ease and flexibility. However, it is important to educate yourself and understand the risks before investing your money in this way. Blogging and content creation. Blogging and content creation can be a lucrative way to make money online. If you have a passion for writing, photography, or videography, you can start a blog or YouTube channel and monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. E-commerce. Finally, e-commerce has become a huge opportunity for entrepreneurs in Ghana. Platforms like Jumia, Konga, and Mall for Africa allow you to set up an online store and sell your products to customers all over the world. Whether you have a physical product or a digital product, there is no limit to what you can sell online. And those are the 5 ways to make money online in Ghana. I hope this video has given you some inspiration and ideas on how you can start earning money from home. Remember, the key to success is to find what you're passionate about and put in the hard work and dedication to make it a reality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.